You've been doing taxes.
Taxes. You've been packing.
We have a big old moving truck coming.
In 2 hours. Are they meeting us here?
Yeah, they're coming here. They're going downstairs. We pack up. They're bringing a driver. And then they drive it back to the storage unit. We unpack it and we call it a day. All included.
So
Storage
nice.
unit is nice.
Yeah, I never knew that was a thing. It's like a free truck and driver with the unit that we got. It's a great deal.
It's a great deal. It's a great Monday. We're gonna clean out. It's gonna be weird the rest of the week, but it's gonna feel good because we will be able to just not worry about packing.
Yeah, I feel like once everything goes away, we'll feel very, like it's really happening.
It's really happening. We're less than a week away.
Oh, I really miss this so much. This view, the couch, the view. Not the siren, that's bad timing.
That's normal background.
It's just been the perfect apartment.
All right, we're gonna unpack. Happy Monday.
Happy Monday.
I'll say. How you feeling?
I'm so hungry, but good. How are you feeling?
Excited.
Can't believe we're gonna be, it's gonna be like when we moved in and had no furniture for a whole week. Crazy.
It's gonna be fun.
Make
We'll
a little
have
camp out.
a bed, a TV,
The necessities.
necessity, 2 bowls,
Yeah,
2 plates,
2 cups.
2 cups.
A lot of forks though. Hello.
What you doing?
I'm posting Poshmark all day long.
Almost done?
We have 3 more listings. Well, then I have to shoot these things. And then we'll be done. Season finale of season 1. We busted through that real fast.
And your review?
It's freaking crazy. Multiple people die every episode. At least 2 people. It's a little hard to watch before bed, but it's strangely addicting. If you like Ozarks, what else would you compare it to? If you like, I don't know. I don't have any more brain power. It's really good. You should watch it. I need to get under the weighted blanket to curb my anxiety now.
It's go time.
It's a very heavy weighted blanket. This blanket, did you notice that I held the door open today with the blanket?
It's nice.
It's that heavy. And then this little security blanket. Don't know how I'm gonna sleep without this. In Europe, we find ways. That's nice. Oh yeah, I love bed.
Hello.
Hello, from our very empty-ish apartment.
We did it. We moved a lot. Took a lot of moving videos. I feel like it was a little much, so we stopped that a little bit.
Yeah, it's not that exciting of content. I feel like it held us accountable though.
It did. We're ready. It's Thursday. The weekend is among us.
It's so close. I just got butterflies. We're very, very close to being done with everything. We have a lot of things here and there to bring today. Brendan's golf tournament starts today at 4.
4 o'clock.
We have a few errands to run, a few more people to see, and then we will be ready to go. I feel very stressed as I'm saying all this.
What are the top 3 things that you look forward to the most while you travel?
I'm just experiencing new places, finding new hidden gems, learning more about the culture.
That's good.
And like living amongst the locals. I feel like we try to do that a lot. Wherever we go, just experiencing new food.
Oh, that's a good one.
What are your favorites?
I thought you were going to say meeting up with people and friends while we travel.
Oh,
'Cause
that's
always
fun
a good one, too.
But that's not always a guarantee. So
It's not a guarantee, but it's one of the top. If you can do that, if you can travel and meet people where you travel, I feel like it enhances the experience.
Yeah.
I think your top 3 is pretty good. The
Thank
culture,
you.
community, the food. Exploring with you is always fun. And checking out new places. But yeah, I'm excited to do all of that with you. We're ready Sunday morning, 6 a.m. So then
I feel like we have to go to the airport at like 3:30, not even 4. I'm feeling a little nervous that there's gonna be something we miss that they tell us like when we get there again. Yeah, when we went to Italy in November, we showed up to the airport like 3 full hours in advance, so we weren't stressed at all. And we had to fill out this traveler locator or something. So I feel like we'll have to do that again for sure. I don't think we have to have COVID tests though, right? We're good?
No, we're good.
Yeah, so yeah, we'll let you know how that goes, but it'll be very early in the morning. Then we fly to New York, and then from New York to Milan, and then we get started on our travels. I'm currently in the process of seeing if all my things that I want to bring will fit in our goal luggage amount.
I just learned I had to downsize my luggage.
No, we talked about that. You said, because yours is, I have only a medium luggage, and your large luggage thing is not full. It just makes sense.
That's right there. That's my luggage now.
It's a good luggage. It's nice, but
it's nice. But it's smaller.
It's shorter. Yours is a tall trunk. I just feel like it makes sense.
Makes sense.
Everyone keeps asking us how we are going to pack for 4 months, and we keep telling them that like we don't think it's really possible. So we're just packing for as much as we can. But I feel like we both did a good job at packing multifunctional neutrals that could be worn in a bunch of different ways. I did throw in a few fun pieces because it's Italy and France, south of France. Like you have to have those fun pieces. For the most part, everything's very neutral and interchangeable. So whatever we figure out, we'll share that information on like what the essentials are. Definitely. And the non-essentials.
I think you've seen enough of storage, so we don't need to see more of that.
We will show you though when it's fully packed, because we got a 10 by 10. We have a 1-bedroom apartment, as you guys know, and I feel like you have a good idea if you watch the vlogs what furniture we had, and the 10 by 10 was perfect. I feel like we were very concerned with which size to pick, because I feel like you always kind of think you have more than you have, and then you don't want to get something too small because your pieces are bigger than you thought. 10 by 10 was perfect, so we'll show you what the packing of the storage unit ended up looking like.
We also used Rancho Cucamonga for a lot of clothes.
Yeah, we took all of our clothes to my mom's house, just for like safekeeping, I guess. I don't know, we didn't want to, we have too many clothes to pack, it would have been crazy.
Yeah.
But anyway.
Let's do it.
Off to get a facial at Dermalogica. I've been getting all of my collaborations like back to back to back right before we leave, which is amazing because I can get them shot and hopefully not have to pack them. But it is so stressful right now. I am like running to meet Brennan, and we're gonna try and beat the sunset to get the photo. We made it.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
We're trying to beat the non-sunset.
Let's go.
We got 20 minutes. Oh gosh, I have to do the navigation. Okay, bye.
We did it. We raced back from golf. We beat sundown, and we're in Griffith Observatory Road.
Griffith Park. Yeah, we went up to the observatory and then we just veered to the right to get some greenery. If it was not foggy, downtown is
our apartment's right there.
And Griffith Park is right there. Griffith Observatory, right there.
We did it.
We did it. I want to hit the score closer.
Got our favorite pho.
The best pho in all the land, and we've never seen the front of it because we always DoorDash it.
Yeah, it's delicious.
Very good. Oh. I don't think we need that, but you're a professional. Okay. We definitely don't need any of this.
Home Depot.
Box Heaven. Extra large?
That's what we have in the...
Oh, okay. We have no more glass left.
Are we done?
We have pots and pans, and then like the espresso machine, sparkling water machine, under the sink stuff, but that's like in its own little compartment.
Closet stuff, clothes.
Clothes.
And I think 2, because yeah, we'll be able to do 3.
Yeah, we have one at home.
Let's do it. We got food in the car.
What do you rate it?
This one, I mean, the flavor is always there, but this experience is probably like a 6.
We got home and realized they only gave us one order of egg rolls, and Brennan specifically said, I'm gonna need a whole order to myself So that was a fail.
Yeah, that's the only reason why I wanted it.
Really? You can have my
Things are so
extra.
good.
I know, they're amazing. If you live in LA, you have to order from Pho Cafe. It's in Silver Lake. I think this is my most ordered place ever on DoorDash. It's very good. Hi guys, we are heading to the Grove right now. I am very much on time, like not a minute to spare. It's Friday. We leave in less than 48 hours. I'm very excited. Feeling very stressed right now. I took some CBD. You know my favorite from Highline Wellness. I have a discount code that is always in the description of every video. I'm feeling okay right now. A little stressed just because of everything left to do. I have to try and make some deliveries to the storage unit today if possible. We don't have toilet paper. We packed all of our toilet paper and I thought we left at least one. There's nothing. So I have to go to the storage unit just to grab one roll of toilet paper because that just sounds better than stopping at a store to buy toilet paper we won't use. So that's on my to-do list. I am struggling. Oh God. Wait, what's the right way? Oh my gosh, this is stressful. I am getting lunch with my management afterwards, which is so exciting. I'm so obsessed with my manager and I'm so excited to finally meet another member of the team, my campaign manager in real life. And then after that, it's go time. We've got lots of things to get done in a few hours. I have to take clothes to the closet. Hopefully they will take leftover things from Poshmark. And then I might meet a brand for a drink that's in town. Might meet Kelsey and Austin before our going away dinner / Richie's birthday celebration tonight. And I have to do some returns at Nordstrom and Sephora. It's a day. And I'm not even packed. Wow. Speaking this out loud, I don't know if it's helping me or making me more stressed. But I know that it's gonna be so worth it. We're gonna get it done. It's gonna be great. And by the time I'm on a flight at 6 a.m. on Sunday, I'm gonna feel so calm because everything's done. So we will get there. Okay, so I am gonna be an hour late. It's 5:25 and I got the pasta. Hopefully it's good. It's a 40-minute drive to Blake's house. I'm heading out. I'm like down to the bare minimum of clothing, obviously. I just had like the things that didn't make it to the trip. So I'm wearing my Cezanne sweater and my favorite Converse. And it's just gonna be a cute, cozy night. Brennan has to meet me there because he is just finishing his golf tournament. Oh gosh, I didn't even realize I wasn't in the frame. But we made it, you guys. I still feel a lot of stress, actually. Need this Highline Wellness CBD. Honestly, is like such a game changer. Helps me with my anxiety so much. So time to get on the road and just have a fun night with friends and enjoy literally the last 24 hours that we have. Going on in here?
Just a little mini bed. Packing up, folding to get it in the car. And
how did you do that alone?
It's gonna work. Muscles.
Amazing.
It's the last day. Sad but happy. We are packing up. Bed. And mirror today. And the last two big things. Ash's mom's coming down to finish up and grab the clothes and do one last run and drop the car off. And then we don't know if we're gonna go to bed because we've got to be at the airport at 3 a.m.
I feel like we shouldn't.
You have to tell me twice.
I mean, I don't want to go out.
Obviously.
Our last breakfast burrito is probably for a while. Had to go out with our favorite breakfast.
Gotta do it, they're so good.
If you were following us when we first moved into this apartment, then you already know we used to sit on the ledge of our window to eat for a long time because we were waiting for the bar stools forever, and then they came and they were too small. So we're back to where we started.
Beautiful.
Eating on the ledge. It's great. We just finished our last drop off. I look like I got electrocuted.
Forgot the phone, but you don't really need to see it. It's
yeah,
just
we
a
forgot
packed storage
both of our phones, but it was packed to the brim. Oh, thank you. The lady stayed, well, she didn't stay open, but we got here at 4:57. It closes at 5, and we called her and we were like, can we please come? And she was like, if you get here by 5, you can do it. And we did. And we got out by 5:06. She said we had to be out by 5:05. We made it. Now we're going to AT&T to drop off that stuff. Then we just gotta pack, go to Rancho, drop our car off, have dinner with my mom, and then just wait it out and
Try to stay awake.
go to Italy.
We are excited. We're ready. Let's go.
Wait, can you give everyone an update on how you did at golf?
Oh yeah, golf tournament. Elon and I played really well. We finished 6 under. That may be top 5. We really got to get in the top 3 to see anything. It wasn't our best effort. We had a blast. We had some good stretches. We just didn't have it this weekend, so that's all right.
I mean, it's hard for reference. Once they won the whole thing, they got first place.
So hard to win it. There's 50 teams.
Yeah,
You gotta play out of your mind both days. You just don't win every time. It's very hard. But we had a blast.
Thanks for the update. I don't know if we ever did an empty apartment tour, I don't remember, but here's a quick one. We've got the first walk-in closet, washer, dryer, beautiful wood floors throughout, nice big molding. We've got this stunning kitchen, white cabinets, new appliances, beautiful view. Obsessed with the floors. This is our bedroom that never got any love because we never finished it. And then our massive walk-in closet that looks so big with no clothes in it. It's crazy.
Place is great.
It's so good. Gonna miss it. Oh wait, and the bathroom. Big bathroom.
I don't wanna go, baby.
I'm sad, but I'm happy.
Make a home,